Establishing and maintaining a successful dairy farm requires a comprehensive approach that encompasses various key aspects. From the initial setup to advanced techniques for increased efficiency, each step plays a crucial role in the overall success of your dairy venture. In this video, we will explore 5 top tips that will elevate your dairy farm. Setting up your dairy farm. The foundation of a successful dairy farm begins with a well-planned setup. Consider factors such as location, infrastructure, and equipment. Adequate space for grazing, proper housing, and efficient waste management are vital components. Invest in quality milking parlors and storage facilities. A well-designed layout not only ensures the well-being of your cattle but also facilitates smooth operations, leading to increased productivity. Choosing the right dairy breeds. Selecting the appropriate dairy breeds is pivotal for a profitable dairy farm. Factors such as milk yield, adaptability to local conditions, and resistance to diseases should be considered. Holsteins, Jerseys, Guernseys, and Ayrshires are popular choices, each with its unique advantages. Tailor your breed selection to your farm's goals and environmental conditions to optimize milk production and overall herd health. Nutrition and feeding strategies. Proper nutrition is essential for the health and productivity of your dairy herd. Develop a balanced diet that meets the specific needs of your chosen dairy breeds. Focus on providing quality forage, grains, and supplements to ensure optimal milk production. Regularly assess and adjust the feeding regimen based on the stage of lactation, age, and health status of your cows. Consult with a nutritionist to formulate a customized feeding plan that aligns with your farm's goals. Health and disease management. Maintaining a healthy herd is crucial for sustained success. Implement a proactive health management plan that includes vaccinations, regular checkups, and preventive measures. Quick detection and isolation of sick animals can prevent the spread of diseases. Work closely with a veterinarian to develop a comprehensive health program tailored to your farm's specific needs. Regular monitoring and record-keeping are essential for tracking the health status of individual cows and the entire herd. Advanced techniques for increased efficiency. To stay competitive in the dairy industry, consider adopting advanced techniques that enhance efficiency. Embrace technology, such as automated milking systems and data analytics, to streamline operations and improve productivity. Implementing precision farming techniques can optimize resource utilization and reduce environmental impact. Stay abreast of industry innovations and continuously seek ways to incorporate cutting-edge practices into your dairy farm for sustainable growth. Conclusion. By addressing each of these key aspects, you can create a resilient and prosperous dairy farm that not only meets current industry standards but also sets the stage for future success. Stay committed to continuous learning, innovation, and the well-being of your herd to ensure a thriving and sustainable dairy operation. Hope you liked this video. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.